can't see him with the sunglasses.
Oh, you can't?
No. It's not
I
a
lost
line.
it.
He's over here, coming this way. He's
Oh, yeah,
coming
no,
to
I
the
see
left.
it.
I don't see the other one though.
Where's it at?
Straight up.
That's probably Mike.
That's high.
Looks like they're doing rolls.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
Mike's not arching.
He's not arching.
I don't know if you see the other one. I did video.
It's over there. See it way over there?
Oh, yep, over there.
You see it?
Yeah,
Oh,
right
yep,
over
I
there.
see it now.
Red.
Oh, he's lower than I expected.
Well, maybe that one's Mike.
No, maybe.
Where'd that one go?
The other one's up over here.
So far, so good, eh?
Yeah, looks like it.
Where?
Can you see this one behind you?
Where's the other
Yeah, but this camera can't pick up anything yet.
Oh, way
It's too hard.
She's worried about you.
Your daughter is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
Hello. This one's lower in my
Hello,
camera.
pretty. What's up? Huh? Yeah, I'm done. I'm watching Mike. Son, Christian's stepson right now. No. Yeah, it was. Real fun.
Looks like they got some lift on that or something. Don't see it.
Huh? Nope. No backup. Came out the first time. You're only in the air about 10 minutes. 20 minutes to get up there. And then 10 minutes to get down.
It takes forever to get on.
And that's it. It's awesome.
There's the other one.
See that one?
I wouldn't have done it without that. Oh yeah. Yep. City Lake, Michigan. Yep. Yep.
Could you have jumped?
Oh. Yep, like, oh, there you go.
Oh, they're good. Look
I
at
can
that.
look at, there's one's way above them.
Seems like that lift or something.
Yep, nope, we're doing good. Mike and them are almost down. Yeah. Yep. Nope.
I want to use sunglasses. Eyes are
Alright, I'll let you go. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
He's about to land over there.
No, he'll steer them this way.
I think this one's Mitch right here in front of us. Dark clothes.
Oh, I was wondering, do you ever get that canopy on the tree? Yeah.
I know. I don't see Mike in the blue one.
I think this one is.
Yeah.
Hi, Nick! Nice landing.
No broken legs. Huh?
Okay, now where'd Mike go?
Over to the left.
He's right there.
Oh, there he is. He looked like he was having fun.
Yeah.
I think. You got to land on top of the building.
That's what it looks like, doesn't it?
You don't want grass hanging on them fancy bare feet on his feet.
See, he's got his knee.
Huh?
He's got his knee.
Look at that.
That was the grass stain.
Yeah, that was the grass
That was
stain.
a grass stain, right? Nice landing though.
Didn't look bad at all.
No, they both did well.
Yeah.
No, I'll be alright.
Matt should have came. He would have loved it. He would have loved it. My other son.
Our son was going to jump with her, and we didn't know it until after she already had the schedule.
Yeah, I had said something to him about it. He didn't know
She'll
what
do
his,
it again.
Yeah, he didn't
I'll
know
do
what
it
his
again with him.
schedule was going to be. I said, you should come with us.
How old is he?
He's 18.
Okay, so he could have done it.
Yeah.
That's when it's out.
He's 20. Yep. We're empty nesters.
How old do you have to be to do it?
Oh, yeah.
You liking it?
Well, it's just been a week.
It's an
It's
adjustment.
just been a week.
Actually, it's only been 4 days. We moved Matt in on Saturday night, and then Nick moved in on Sunday.
Gotcha.
And Matt came home for the weekend on Thursday.
Oh.
You got grass stain.
You look good.
All right. How'd it go?
Was it fun?
Feels weird walking in on
Oh,
land.
yeah.
Yeah. Was it fun though? Did you have a great time? Good.
Nick.
You
I
got
would
grass
do it again.
I'm sure we all did.
Did you get
Did I?
grass stains? Just a little bit, not too bad.
Mike would be worse. Yes.
Unless he was sitting on the
Oh, no. We seen him land.
How's it free falling, Nick?
Yeah.
Fast.
Well-
I couldn't even
So did you go out backwards?
comprehend it.
Was it
Did you
cool?
go out backwards and twirl or not?
Yeah, we
Did
did.
you?
A lot of fun.
That was excellent. But could you tell you were twirling?
No,
No, you really couldn't tell it,
happened
could
so
you?
fast. but
Yeah. It was so fun.
It's not right till that skid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just said that.
Oh, that
Grant.
hurt.
Good thing it wasn't corn stubble.
No, I'd only known that. If I threw some extra padding on or something.
So did you do somersaults?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Oh,
Was
but
that
it
fun?
goes so fast.
Yeah, you don't even know.
Yeah.
One successful jump in the books.
Yeah.
It's over.
Congratulations,
It's
guys.
a really
It's off the
bad
list.
grass stain.
What's that?
That's not going to be able to get washed.
Yeah, I don't think so either. I knew that as I was skidding along the ground.
Oh, it'll
I think
come
it's
out.
sacrificed the insurance.
Yeah, that's okay.
It was fantastic.
You like it, buddy?
Good job, you guys.
Yeah, that was
I'm proud of you guys. That was really cool.
When are you back to work?